They told you it's over, that your best years are behind you, that you've missed your shot. But here's the truth most men never hear. Your second half can be stronger than your first. You're not too old. You're just getting started. At 50, you've got something most people don't. Wisdom, war wounds, grit. You've been knocked down, disappointed, maybe even broken. But you're still standing, and that makes you dangerous. Let the younger guys chase trends. You rebuild from the ground up. One disciplined day at a time, one decision at a time, one rep at a time. You don't need hype. You don't need likes. You need a code, a reason to rise when no one's watching, and the discipline to follow it even when it hurts. This is the age where men disappear into comfort, or reemerge as warriors. Not for vanity, not for applause, but because you're not finished, and you've still got power to give. Every sunrise is a second chance, not to be who you were, but to become who you were always meant to be. Stronger, sharper, wiser. Welcome to the second half. Welcome to your prime. Subscribe for more. Stay sharp. Stay iron.